Hello, hi, namaskara, Matalega namaskara, and welcome to Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. Welcome to the 63rd episode of Let's Get Talking. It's been awesome having you people every time logged into my live session. Welcome, coastalvibes.in. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. Lavi D'Souza, welcome. DJ Ash Mangalore. DJ Ash Marlo, namaskara, welcome. Viona Pinto, welcome. Cheryl Ferraro, welcome. Prasanna, welcome. Sujit Cornelio, welcome. Swasti, welcome. I welcome everybody. Rakshamin, welcome. DJ Sujay, yo, welcome DJ Sujay to Let's Get Talking. Welcome. Glenn Nazareth, welcome. Glenn Nazareth to Let's Get Talking. Mr. G, welcome. Yeah. Jocelyn Desa, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Joy D'Souza, namaskar. DJ Ash, hi, hello. Marlo. Okay, yes, okay. Marlo, namaskara, bro. Yes, namaskara. DJ Sujay, let, yes. Okay, Aaron Fernandez, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Hi, Aaron, welcome. Joy, welcome. Okay, Pravya, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Okay, talking about today's guest, our 63rd episode guest. She is a fabulous model, as you all know. She has won 2 and more than 3 more titles, and she is none other than Christina. She will be joining us soon. Always delight to watch your live sessions. Keep up the good work. Viona Pinto. Thank you so much, Viona Pinto. Thank you so much for this, for your kind words. Thank you so much. Okay, I already told about our today's guest. And let's welcome our guest as I usually do. Like you all people like what I do. And let's welcome our guest. Yes. Rolvia, welcome to Let's Get Talking. We are all waiting for our guest to join in. Welcome. Hello. Welcome, Christina. Welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Hi.
Hi, and welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I heard you had your exams today.
Yes, I have an exam in the morning, I have an exam in the afternoon, and then I had Let's Get Talking as well.
Yes, exam, and then Let's Get Talking. Yes, to like Let's Get Talking, like it is to free up your mind, full free month mind, irna. Let's Get Talking. Okay, in a comment, you have getting the comments right here. Okay, as soon as you came here, beautiful. Wow. Okay, wow. Said by Preetham. Preetham has already checked in. Okay, DJ Sujay is telling your eyes are killer. It seems.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody is like joining in. As soon as you joined in, everybody, okay. I should read this comment from Preetham. Okay, I should read this comment. What lips? Oh my God.
I think he's making fun of me. I don't know.
I know one thing. You people gel well. You have your photo shoots together. And I know when he says something, there is something or the other behind it. Okay. So, okay. Pretty smile for, he's again saying pretty smile. Okay.
He's doing it on purpose. He never compliments me like this.
Okay. Mallet. But I agree with it. Whatever he said, I agree with it. Okay. Yoshida is telling Sundari.
one more sample of bundle. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Preetham is asking which makeup brand, madam? Question mark.
Natural, you see, natural.
Natural beauty. Natural beauty. Okay. Okay. Why so pretty? See, I'd have in this Let's Get Talking today. I think I need not ask questions. Lots of questions are coming in.
How long I took to apply my makeup? See, till 4:30 I had exam. So after that, how long will I have to apply makeup, Preetham? How
30
long?
Minutes. 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. No, 30 minutes. 20 minutes?
No, like 10 minutes, I think. I just combed my hair, tied my hair up, lipstick, eyeliner, done.
Okay, done. So we all believe it. Okay, we all believe it. Done. We all believe it. Okay. Stop blushing, it seems. Josita is telling stop blushing, it seems.
Yeah. I'm looking at Mervin. No, I am blushing.
Oh.
Ganji.
Yeah, Nanji, no? Nanji happening to these people, no? Nanji, everybody. See, when are you meeting me, ma'am? Right now, hello, she's asking, when are you meeting it seems? Appointment
Huh.
de do, yeah.
After the live, come home, we'll meet, we'll go out.
Oh, okay. Invitation de diya.
Uh,
Josita is telling, oh, please, she needs 45 minutes, it seems.
I take time only to brush my teeth, but apart from that, no.
Okay. Okay. For brushing your teeth, you need 45 minutes.
Not 45, like 20 minutes. The thing is, when I was in Miss India time, I used to come late
Okay.
for my
Okay.
preparations. I used to come late. So she used to yell at me all the time, like, why you late, why you late? The thing is, I used to take time to brush my teeth. Like, there are two
Okay.
things I hate doing in my life. That's brushing my teeth and taking shower. But I do it daily. I do it daily. I do it daily. But then
I have
brushing
my
my teeth,
next question. Next question
well,
lined up.
I do it very slowly, calmly, take my own time. It's like that.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, done. Okay, Pritham is telling, I should send my research team to your house, it seems, to find out for exactly what all time you take. I have
Perfect.
already sent it, Pritham, and in my Let's Get Talking, slowly you will get to know, Pritham. Please be there till 6, Pritham, today. Slowly you'll get to know everything. I have sent her my research team. Okay. Okay, okay. Big fan of Christina. Okay, Pranit is telling he's a big fan of
Thank
Christina.
you.
Okay. No. Even at home, she takes time for makeup. That's
She's
your
not
friend.
seen. She's not seen that. She's not seen it.
Nanji ade. Nanji maklatundi pura. Nanji
Nanji, Nanji,
maklatundi.
Nanji.
Nanji. Okay.
Gersila,
Okay.
don't make
Ask.
me open my mouth.
Okay. Okay. So lots of people are sending you hearts, hi, hello,
Thank you,
hi.
thank you.
Okay, you can tell hi, hello to everybody.
Hello,
Like,
hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live session.
yeah.
Stay till
First
the
of
end,
all,
we'll see more.
yeah. Stay till the end. 1 hour you have to stay, and
Have
this
to
one
stay.
hour have to stay compulsory. Untode. Okay, done. Okay, so my everybody spoke up about your makeup, and
Yeah.
makeup relates to fashion. Okay, fashion. Okay, so when did Christina think like I should get into this fashion industry?
For me, when I just finished my 10th. I finished my
Mm,
10th. And
mm,
I never thought, for me, even posing, I don't know how to pose, I don't know how to smile. No, smiling, so even now I can't do in pictures. But apart from that, posing, nothing. I have no idea about it. Then I met this one manager of Lakme that I met it just like that. Like I had gone with my family for a photo session.
mm,
Kankanadi made some photo lab, okay. My
mm,
dad went to collect the photos, and there's this guy who comes and asks, "Who is this girl? She's got very
mm,
pretty eyes, pretty lips, nice features." "Oh, it's my daughter, and how old is she? She's only 14, 15. She should
mm,
try acting, and everything." My dad's like, "I don't know if she's interested or what. We'll
mm,
see when she's older." No,
mm,
try. So he told me I have a friend of mine. He's a manager. I have no idea what manager, nothing. He's a
mm,
manager of something, but you try. If you're interested, you go. I was like,
mm.
okay, fine, I'll try once. I
Okay.
went and saw he's a Lakme manager, okay, and I am
Okay.
like, and in a year there's like only three models, all that they have.
Mm,
So, and he's telling me, and I'm not getting convinced. I'm like, no, sir, I don't know how to pose. I don't know how to do that. I'm scared. This thing, I'm small. I don't know makeup. That.
mm,
Or he's like, no, once you come, try and everything. And even
mm,
showed me like how, people apply, but,
mm,
they want particular features and everything. And,
mm,
you look good. You should try it. And
mm.
back then I was very chubby also, very
Okay.
chubby, like very
Okay.
chubby.
Mm,
And but then he told like lose some little weight, will give you so much time, lose weight and everything. And then I was like,
mm,
huh, but I started shooting and then I lost weight. I lost like 18 kgs. And
mm.
then after that, one shoot, two shoot, three shoot. By the end of three shoots, I'm like, wow, I like this. I like this. Then I got
Okay.
into it. So that was
Okay.
like 1.5, 1 year, 4 months of contract it was.
Mm,
And then I came out of the contract during my 12th
mm,
and PU exams and all. After my PU exams, I never went back. I was only collaborating and then, got
mm,
into pageants after that. And yeah,
mm.
that's how it went on. Then
Okay.
I didn't look
Went,
back
went,
after it.
went. After that, it went on like
Went on, I
like a.
didn't look back.
Okay. For you said right, it went on. So for that, Preetham is telling, train is closed in Kadri Park, new one outside Christina's place.
I'll meet him later. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Vijay Pujara is telling, hey hottie, Vijay Pujara is telling.
Hey
Okay.
love.
Okay. Undite kiss pura sura pun. Nikal andi warra hottie undu love suran paka suran kiss pura suran. Nah, okay. Vijay Pujara is telling namaste same. Okay. Josita was telling bundle. After that, Pranit is telling kurchi becha undundi. Wall ekkada kurchi becha undu. Ide chali surat mar wall ekkada kurchi becha undu. Okay. Okay. Iji kurchi mean okay. Okay. Then after that, you said those fashion patterns went on. And recently, you were the runner-up in Miss India Super Talent 2020. Miss India Super Talent 2020. So how was this journey? Before that, you would tell something. We have one more like celebrity joining in, Shweta Suvarna, Shweta Santosh. Hello,
Hi,
yeah.
Shwetaka. How are you?
Finally, Batsar. Okay. Again, you have Jyoti Shetty is telling, "Hello, my sweet baby." One more celeb joined it.
Like,
Okay.
they are one of the people like I've been here. Like Shwetaka is a person who supported me throughout. Like after I left Lakme and then into collaborating and all, like she has given a lot of her works, her shows. She's actually given like do this, do that. She's even referred me there here. A lot of works have come through her. And I can say
Okay.
around 60% has come through her. Then
Okay.
Jyotyaka also, she's like one of my Jan. She's also like wow, one of the best person right now. Yeah.
Okay. So like everybody like are your John, Dad, this everybody, and these other people will get Nanji. Okay. The Pritam, you have never said nothing to Pritam. He commented so much. You said John to Jyoti Akka, Shweta Akka, Papa Pritam dala are kali Baba na bimbali dikkunan nama power husband.
Baba Zimbali Arigu.
Okay. Okay. I said you won Miss India. You were the runner-up in Miss India Super Talent 2020. Okay. So how was this journey?
This was different. Like I have done two more pageants previously, but this was very different. Very, very different. So it was like 4 days. Like no, 3 days was grooming and everything. The fourth day was finale. So finale was like the proper finale. Okay, it was like the judges and everything, outsiders, everything, all proper. The previous those 3 days, no, it was like a tough time. Like it's a new thing. Like they had brought it international level to Mangalore. Okay, that's how they were doing it. So it was very difficult for us, the way they're drilling us and everything. Oh my God, it's like they had called a couple of people. Like I shouldn't be telling this because it'll be released soon. You'll see it that time. Everything I
Okay.
won't tell. So
You
once
can
it
tell a
releases,
trailer.
yeah, like a trailer, I'll tell you. It's like,
Okay.
there are sessions where they roast you so much, they make sure you cry, come out. It's like that.
Okay.
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 And
Okay.
they were roasting on like they had given a paper to write some questions and all. They were roasting based on that question paper, okay? Like how you
Okay.
answer. But I know how to answer, okay? So on my written thing, nothing they asked, okay? They knew this girl little emotionally kai ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ. So they got one of my friend and asked me to shave his head and all that thing. All that scenes were there. So and I'm just
Okay.
like, no, I can't shave his head. And he's like, do it. And I'm like, I can't shave. And he's like, do it. And all that scenes. That was hard. Then competitors also was pretty good. And what else? Like stressful morning to night
What?
morning, everything.
Yeah. What else?
Hardly
Okay.
hardly we have time to sleep and everything. And then and the grooming session was little scripted, but then still like it was like the experience was nice, very nice. Finale though it was
Okay.
I was not expecting to be even on the top three. I kept telling this back said I hope I'm in the top three. I hope I'm in the top three. Because it was that hard. It was that hard. Even on the stage, like couple of times I was wearing a 6-inch heels and everything. So, a couple of times I even slipped off. And, so I was wondering, okay, but then yeah, again, hard work pays off. Was actually working for this for since long. So yeah, that was my
Yeah.
experience.
Okay. So that was your journey. You will tell only trailer. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ film ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂಚೂರು ಅರ್ಧ film ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಧ film release. Preetham is telling everything is leaked it seems. Everything. Okay. Too
Everything.
much drama.
There's a lot. There's a lot.
Okay. There was too much drama it seems in Miss
Too
India
much.
Super Talent. Too
So
much
much
drama.
drama. So much drama.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Chris Porulate. Shweta Kaishling Chris
हार
Porulate.
परलते हार परलते मस्त परलते
ನಿಜ ಆರು ಪೊರ್ಲು ಈರ್ ಪೊರ್ಲು ಪೂರ ಪೊರ್ಲೆ ಏನು ಒಂಜಿ ಪುಡ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾ ಈರ್ ಮಾತ ಪಂಡರ್ಗೆ ವಿಜಿ ಬಿಜಾರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ ನಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡ್ರಿಟ್.
Oh my
ಓಕೆ
God.
ಬೇರೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾತ್ರ ಆರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂವ್ ಆಪನ್ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಆರು ಪಂಡ ಹೈಟ್ ಬಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪಾಪ ಅಂಚಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂವ್ ಆಪನ್ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆರು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಮೂವ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೇತನೆ ಇತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇತನೆ ಇತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೇ ನಾನು ಬೇತನೆ ಆವಡದೆ ಆಪಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಜೋಸ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ರೈ ಬೇಬಿ.
My no, that's because yeah, they roasted me so much that I did cry at the end of the day. That's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I said right, giving me everybody is porlo. So Shweta is consoling me. Yeah, yanla porla. Yeah, dan. Ironi pandarati. I can board what pandi. Panode pandi. Okay.
So she has a one quality. Whatever it is, no, she makes sure everybody is happy. That's what she told you
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, now she's also making you happy. She's asking you to sing a song. Chris should sing a song.
Entaka.
Please, she sings good. See.
Oh my God.
So, can we have one song? When
Song.
any
Yeah.
song, any song.
Yeah, you want me to sing now? Like I'm not a
Ah,
wow
no.
singer. Just that, like, see, when we go for pageants, also we have one talent round. I can't
Yeah.
dance. I can't dance at all.
Okay.
Okay, I can't dance at all. So the only thing I have is singing.
Okay.
So that's
So
how
you
she's
have that
telling
singing.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just sing what I can. Okay, I'm not a singer anyway.
Okay.
So yeah. So okay. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Yeah, enough.
Awesome, awesome. Done, awesome. See, hearts are coming. Hearts barundundu. Tappa 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 and hearts barundundu. Direct request ittundu. Titanic the song sing ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡು.
Oh, that's because I think 2-3 events I've sang only Titanic song. That's why.
So Titanic song has become hot favorite, I guess, by everyone.
Yeah, many
Okay.
people ask me to sing that only.
Okay. Okay. There is one more thing. Okay. Keith Bangara is telling fallen in love with you, it seems.
Ayyo, fallen in love.
Ite kiss bridge, huh? Ite kiss bridge.
Separate kiss and korpe.
Okay. Enchi porlu the voice. With that actually enchi porlu the voice. Okay.
Ayyo.
ಇನಿ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗುತ್ತು ಜೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಪ ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬ್ ಕಿಸ್ ಪೂರ ಒಂದೇ ತೋಜುಂದುಂಡಿ ನೀ ಲೈವ್ ಬಿಡು. Okay. 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 After that, before this Miss Miss Super Talent 20 Miss into Super Talent 2020, you had Miss Karnataka 2019, and you were the
Yeah.
winner of it. So
Yeah.
how was this getting this crown?
That was one more thing. See, first of all, like that pageant was in Bangalore. So I had to travel all the way to Bangalore. And then, so when I got this thing, like I saw the audition and everything, I was like, I had a feeling, Bangalore to Pakka, I won't be able to go. My parents won't let me. Okay. And then, but I tried convincing my dad, like this, 4 days I have to go. He's like, 4 days you have to go. I was like, yeah, 4 days I have to go. It's my dream, this thing. And then he's like, who's coming with you? I said, I don't know who is coming with me. And then and I didn't even confirm till the previous day. I'm leaving that day night till morning. I'm not even confirmed. Okay, I'm going or not. I gave my
Okay.
name and everything, but I've not confirmed. And then Shweta Akka calls me saying, I'll be also coming. You also come. Okay. So then I was like, okay. And I told her, I asked my dad, and told, she's there. She's a mother of 2. She'll take care of me like a daughter and everything. So Anchal, he left. Okay. So 4
Okay.
days I was there. And then, first time I've been going somewhere far without my parents. I mean, I was in Scouts and Guides, but it was different. It was in a different field. So and she took care of me like her daughter. Okay. 4 days, we did all Marl, everything we did, roam everywhere at night, come back 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, all that is done. And then so it was a different experience. Even grooming was like totally different, and everything was different. Finale also was like, the crowning session, like, first was Shweta Akka's crowning. She was the Mrs. category. She was done. She got the crown. And then next was mine. So I see, and then I'm still looking at Shweta Akka, and they're crowning me. I'm still looking at her, and then I'm crying, and she's also crying. She comes with me. So it was like that. So it was a very wow moment for me. So it was like, wow.
Wow. Okay.
I
Everybody
can't
is.
hear you. I can't hear you. I think I lost connection.
Okay, you can't hear me right now.
I can't hear you.
You can't. Still, you can't hear me. Hashtag Icona. Hashtag. You can't hear me. Still, you can't hear me. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. We'll do one thing. We'll ask the viewers like if they can hear me or not.
Should I
Is it
join
good?
again?
Wait. Don't leave right now. Wait. So I'll ask the viewers like yan audible ullena just need like whatever. Okay, full movie scene. Okay, full movie scene. Uh, you can't hear me till right now. Still, you
No,
can't
I
hear me.
can't hear you. I can hear you very slowly.
Okay, you like volume up of your phone.
Full. I can't hear
It's
you.
full. Okay, we can hear you both. We can hear you both. You can't hear me right now. Okay, so
Should I join again?
yes.
Huh.
ಹೌದು. Okay. Maybe some network issues. Okay, no problem. Full movie scene. R1 Jasti, Ash1 Jasti. Okay, Chris, talk in Tulu. Next, we'll talk in Tulu itself. Okay, Chris, I love. Okay, yes, we will go live again with Chris. ఆయన ఫోన్ లగడిపోతుండే ఇయర్ ఫోన్ లగడిపోతుంది ఓకే వెయిటింగ్ yes right now
Okay,
you
I
can
can
hear
hear
me
you. Yes.
yeah done maybe some network ಒಂದ್ ರಗಳೆ ಕೊರಂದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ okay I guess you got a call in between
Yes, I did get a call.
ah
Maybe between
yeah
that.
okay if you get a call then you will not hear that's the like Instagram ka main thing once you get a call after that okay
Guys, please don't call me. Please don't call me.
Okay. Okay. You have comments coming in. Okay. Jyoti Akka is telling Chris, I love you. Jyoti Akka is telling Chris, I
I love
love
you
you.
too.
Okay.
And
Vidya
many of
Rose is
my friends
telling.
are saying hi, but I couldn't reply. I saw Nishant, hi. I saw many of them actually telling, but I couldn't reply to all of them. I'll
Okay.
personally say hi to all of them later. Yeah.
Yeah, personally, you can in between also you can tell. Even live show dalla baji. Here is the through to pathru panda. There is a lot of requests from lot of people. Like
Oh
Chris,
my
talk in
God.
Tudu. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do this in Tudu. Okay, done.
See, mine is a broken Tulu, but deal with it, okay?
I'll deal with it. No problem. And everybody will deal with it. Okay. Staying sober is telling Christina is my favorite.
Thank you so much.
I am Shadow is asking, Yapa appointment tikkunike jana busy ulle.
Basically, he is one of my best friend in college. So
Okay.
I don't get time to meet him. Whenever he calls, I'm at shoot, I'm at that, I'm at this. So all that is there. So I keep.
Okay. 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 DJ Ash panadille. Pura I love you panadille. Pranith Pranith and Ash and Shama and 3-4 people will join in. Okay. They are all my regular viewers. And he is talking to Pranith and telling, Namal I love you pananga. Pura I love you panadille. Namal panka. Okay. Okay, done. Nama itna through badar. Pranith is telling Marvin, I love you. Oh, they are young when you mock it, I love you. ಒಂದು ಬೇತ ಎಣ್ಣುವೇರು ಪಣಿತು ಬೇತ ಎಣ್ಣುವೇರು ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಣ್ಣು ಪಣ್ಣುಲ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಂಡು ಅಕಲೆ ನಡಪು ನಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಂಡು ಉಂಟು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಚಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಡು ಬರ್ಚಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕಿಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂದುಳು she ignores everyone. Preetham is telling she ignores everyone.
I don't ignore everyone. I don't open messages. I'm kind of busy. That's it. I don't ignore.
Yeah. I'm busy. Message man ni board call maldu pater lete. Message man banga. Call maldu pater. Ito call mal borchi kuda Preetham. Kuda banga. Kuda mal. Okay. Marvin wish her happy Diwali it seems. Diwali, happy Diwali.
Thank you.
To wish.
No, that has
Why
an
happy
inside.
Diwali?
There's an inside story which I'll be telling you later.
No, tell me. Adakane out on the spot out. On the spot.
I'm little censored, Swansha.
Malle jo alpa beep padga. Here banne. Alpa beep padga.
No, it's like it's a huge story. Actually, the thing is, there's this party we had gone. So I changed my clothes at Josita's place, and she came and said at my place. All that drama was there because our parents didn't know we were going for the party. Okay, so all that drama we were doing, and then so I am changing at her place, right? No, I changed at Mani Sir Studio. Okay. Shiva Mani Sir Studio. So there what happened was, so I was wearing this backless dress. And I didn't realize I have to wear this strapless innerwear as well. So I had
Okay.
this very pretty one, and then she's like, bro, what do you do? It's backless now. I'm like, we should do something. So last option we had was sellotape the whole body.
Okay.
So I went and asked Mani sir, double side gum tape unda. Ijji, sellotape unda. Undu. Daye, kurti pakattere. That was the thing. And the strap, it could be seen sometimes, okay. So I kept telling her, in case you see the strap or the sellotape somewhere, just tell me cookie. Cookie is a code word. Just tell cookie. She's like, no, I'll say happy Diwali. So
Okay.
and she went telling the whole party people, just tell happy Diwali. So everyone is coming telling me happy Diwali. And I'm just like, shit. Just chumma, okay. Just chumma. I have no, see, it's not even seen. And I'm getting curious and everyone is coming telling me happy Diwali. I'm like, shit. That's a Diwali story, yeah.
Okay, that's the Diwali, and that's like happy Diwali. Fine, happy Diwali.
Yeah,
Okay.
Diwali.
Okay, she is now very happy, I guess. Josita
She's
is very
happy.
happy. She's laughing. She's laughing right now. Okay,
Yeah,
Shweta is telling, I
there are a
love
couple
you
of people
both.
who will come to roast me later. There are a couple of people who will come.
Okay, let them come, and let me see them roasting you. I'll be like, oh, pussy up near like roast up. Yeah, Lala Malpod Bandu. Okay, Shweta is telling, I love you both. Take care. I think she is like little busy. So Shweta,
Our April are busy. I'm happy she came here.
yeah, very like we are like very lucky that she came here. And plus, one nimsala jana free uppuji. But still, when I call, yeah, full free ulle. One balis in a handling, she'll be like that.
I swear, that's so true.
Okay, you please speak in Tudu, ma'am. Josita is like very well. You please speak in Tudu. It's Surute Patrudi.
But my Tulu is better than her Tulu, huh? Way better.
Okay, right, right. Okay. Okay, so in between this, quickly I'll go with like you write those captions in Instagram, right? For every pic there is one caption. Caption inch open manna tigare hakilaku damma caption open sarthi. Inch bang on captions in Instagram. So there are some captions which have like seen and noted down. I'll be asking you. Okay. And you have to like fill in the blanks. Those captions you have to fill the blanks. Like I'll be leaving it half and half you have to fill it. Okay. So in your first
pictures I have, where will I remember?
how this is you put captions right for your pics. So okay. I am Shadow asking one more question.
Okay.
One more question. Okay, you want to read it? You can read it. There is one more question. Like just
the 96 one, huh?
96 one. That's a 96 one. I class sense about it.
It did. I have put. So that is basically a story where long back, like before my engineering, I had told my dad I want an iPhone. That I'm iPhone 10 released. So I want that. And he's like, okay, fine. He won't say no to anything. Okay. He said okay. And then it was 96,000 that time. Okay. And I even and he actually got that cash for me. And he kept it with him. He gave it to my hand. He went near Hampankata for something. I left it there and I went. I went running behind my dad. I kept the money there on the scooter. Then coming back at Santar. And my dad had not told me anything. He didn't yell nothing. So that is the story behind
96,000.
96,000 ನೀರಿಗೆ.
ಭಯಂಕರ ಕುಸಲ ಉಂಟು 96,000 ನೀರು ಮಾಡೋದು. 96,000 ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಮುಗೀತು. ಓಕೆ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಓಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿನಾ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ದಾದಾ ಬಂದ್ 96 ಪಂಡೇರು ದಾದಾ ಬಂಡು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಆರ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮೇರು ಮಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ದ ಜನಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮೇರಿಗೆ
మల్ల మనసు బంతిల మల్ల ఉండు మనసుల మల్ల ఉండు మాత మల్ల ఉండు.
Okay, done. Okay, this caption game. Okay, I saw this caption game. Remember, Pritham is asking caption game. Remember, do you remember the caption you had put and he had commented and you had again commented by? Do you remember? He's asking.
I remember.
You remember?
There are many actually. They keep roasting in the comment section only. There are many.
And my research team has gone almost through all the captions and all the comments, I guess, all the comments. So, sadharana enkala ivanni sadharana anthachundu, like what? Okay, so we'll go with this caption game. Caption game. You have to fill in the blanks. Your caption it. Okay, first one. Okay, if you can't handle the sass, you can't handle dash.
Ass.
Okay, when you can done. Okay, sending my photos to NASA because sending my photos to NASA
Because I'm a
because
star. Because I'm a star.
yes, obviously you are. You got 20 points. Sahi job. Okay. She's poison, but dash.
Poison but tasty.
ನೆನಪುರಿನ ಮಾರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆನಪುರಿನ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪುರ ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಾರ. Okay, this one Diwali. This is related to Diwali right now.
Okay.
Don't burn patakas, but dash.
Date them.
Correct. Pataka date one put. Okay. Okay. Everybody knows that bad girls dash.
Bad girls are good girls who haven't been caught.
Okay, that I can give you 50-50, but still there is everyone knows that bad girls have dash.
Look, the previous ones I have a caption of that.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, done. So I'll give you the one caption. That is also right. Okay, done. Okay. This one. Banana is a fruit and dash is an art.
Chutia banana.
Bang on. Okay. Okay. Next one. Be the first rate version of yourself and dash.
Than being a second-rate version of someone else.
ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಾರೆ. ಭಯಂಕರ ಜನ ಹುಷಾರಲ್ಲ ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಾರೆ. ನೆನಪು you remember everything, like whatever captions you have put.
See, I'm an engineering student and I've passed it here just because of by hurting. Seriously, even maths I'll sit and by heart. Maths problems I'll by heart. I know where the number is there.
Congratulations. You remember, like in the notes where whatever you have written, same with the copy paste in here.
Exactly. For me, it's page wise. Okay, page wise. This page number is here. When maths problems. People understand, not heart. I by heart.
ಯಾವರೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಚಿನ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲರ. Okay. Akshadana is telling she was prepared before attending this live. You prepare atara? Prepare atರಿಗೆ. Okay. By heart crazy malkola. Yeah.
I was preparing for my exam, not for this.
Yeah, correct. Okay. By heart matra crazy malkoge.
Yeah, he knows it because we studied together. So he knows it.
Joshida is saying script was leaked, it seems. Who leaked the script?
It was not leaked.
Not leaked, right? Okay. ಪಕ್ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಪುರ ಜೋ ಎಂಕಲೆ ಪುರ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇಜ್ಜಿಗೆರೆಟ್. Okay, she lies. Okay. She lies. Okay. ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ದಾಲೆ ಜನ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಂಗಿಟ್ ದಾಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೀದಾ. Okay.
I remember putting all the recent captions. I remember.
Yeah, see, I asked all the recent captions. So see. Yeah, I'm also good. I'm also like not asking your 2 years back captions. Okay.
Yeah. So
2 years back captions were super, but I didn't ask. It was super.
I remember. Because how I take captions is, see, 40% will be copy. Okay. 40%. 10% is Google.
Okay.
No, 40% copy as in I have particular people, only from them, not everybody. Okay. I think recently it's Urvi Shetty. Urvi Shetty has very good caption collection, okay. Her pics also are good, her captions also good, everything about her is too good. So her captions too I copy, her old captions. 10% is Google. 50% is, half of it is basically, I see a caption, but I change it a little and put. For example, the caption could be something about the styling or tradition or something like that. And I want a caption for makeup. So I will change it for makeup.
Okay.
some things I'll do. It's like that. So I remember what I do.
ಒಂದ್ ಅಲ್ಪದ ಒಂದ್ ಮುಲ್ಪದ ಸದ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಮಂತ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿತು.
Last it becomes Christiana's caption.
Okay. That become Christian's captions. Okay. DJ Ash is telling that कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. देवर ने दाला गड़बड़ है. जी ये काल इंच एंड उन्हें बंद मन प्रेरणा रिसर्च टीम बाइंग करो डीरो अंत एंड और okay. 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 Rapid fire दालात जी जो सिटा दालात जी rapid fire. Okay. Rapid fire undu. Nana undu. Sorry. Rapid fire nana undu. Barra rapid fire. Rapid fire. Before going to rapid fire. Okay. You also like the runner-up in Miss Mangalore 2019. Miss Mangalore 2019. How was this Miss Mangalore 2019? Because this was your first.
Yeah. So that event was way different than Miss Karnataka and Miss India. Way different.
Okay.
Because these two were basically a beauty pageant. That was a charity pageant.
Okay. Yeah.
It was a charity pageant. So it's like it was my first one, and it was in my first year of engineering. So I thought 100 times, should I go? Am I worthy? What is it? This thing. I thought 100 times. Okay. And I even gave my name, but I didn't go. I was scared. I was like, what is it? I don't think I'm up to it and everything. I'm not prepared. And I got a call saying the audition was in this day. And the audition day, I was in Dubai and I couldn't go. So then she's like, fine, do online auditions. Everything was online. Okay. Then I gave my introduction online. Everything was online. So then I got selected. I went everything, and then so basically there it is way different. Like everything is different. Like we started doing fundraising, not for the event, but completely for the charity thing. There was a village called Valpadi village in Moodbidri. We went there personally, met the kids. There, people they have this mentality. Like the parents itself, what do kids do studying? It's like that. Even the kids are like, some kids are like, I don't want to study. Some kids are like, I want to be doctors, engineers, scientists, all that is there. So we started changing their mind, giving them, basic knowledge, the kids, girls education, everything we gave for like 3 days. For older people, free medical checkup and everything was there. So, we changed and we built 3 houses for people there with the money we collected. It was, I think each house around 90,000. Not small houses, but they used to stay just like that. But we gave them small houses. 90,000 was enough for one house. So we did 3 houses for them and we gave. So that was the thing we did through that pageant. Way different. So even now we make sure we check on them. How are they? All that is still there. That is there.
Okay.
So it was a different pageant.
Totally, that was a charity pageant, I can say. Charity pageant, totally different. And in the first pageant yourself, you did a charity thing, charity work thing.
Yes.
So, like, kudos to you on doing that. Okay, coming back to the comments out here. Pritham is telling he has to go. HMC is telling bye-bye, tata. Have fun. Pritham poyer. Pritham shoot undige. Okay, but Anup Sagar is telling you hi. Anup Sagar is have checked in. Is telling you hi.
Hi, Anup. Even Soham sir is here. Hi, Soham sir.
Okay. Yes, you can like Eric Pandrod hi propanoli. Like Rappa unton hi panpin dalla problem is Rappa unton panpin hi. Okay. Christina, I am your big fan. Mr. Maya is telling Christina, I am your big fan.
I am his big fan. You have to check his pictures. He's like, wow, he's also one amazing model. He's in Bangalore. One amazing model. Actually, too good he is. So he's an actor, model, everything. So that I big fan of his Bakra. Okay, that is his Chuma telling.
Okay. You have one question from Shashank. Ode pon mandu Shashank no question ittune. Ode pon ande ingi tikkondu. Okay, there was one question.
Who is your boyfriend?
Yes.
Who is my boyfriend? I am committed to my work as of now.
Anne satyana.
No, the thing is, Shashank has this thing where if he sees me with any guy, he has to pair me up with that person. He has to pair me. Insane, like this. You come and meet me, he'll tell, Christina is dating Mervin. He does that. Okay, so that's why he kept asking. He keeps asking, in this all guys, who is your boyfriend? He keeps asking. That's his question. That's why he asked, who is your boyfriend?
Who is your boyfriend? Oh, number. Number. Okay. Okay. DJ Ash na comment and odu jige. Devarane DJ Ash na comment and odu neti. Depandi ena comment ಮಾಡ್ದತುಲಿ. Devarane na odu neti. ಅವು ಪಕ್ಕ ಹೆಂಗ ಬಂಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪಕ್ಕ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಅವು ಲೈವ್ ಆನಾಗ ಬಂಗ. Depandi ಇತ್ತನೆ ಬಂಡ್ರ ಏನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಕ್ಕದ. Okay. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಯಬ್ಬೋ ಹೆವಿ ಮಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪೋಲೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೋ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ.
In a profile, I have many pictures from past 5 years. I've been posting a lot of pictures, but now I have a boyfriend who is very, very, very busy in his work. If to meet him, I have to take appointment, so that is different. So you won't find any pictures. So ate.
ಓಕೆ 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 ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪನ್ಪುನು ಜೊಸೆಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪನ್ಪುನು ಪೂರ ವಿಬ್ಬಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪನ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪನ್. ಓಕೆ ಐ ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ 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 ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿ ಇರೇಗ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಮಣಿ ಉಂಡಾ?
DJ Ash is my crush.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾರ ಬರ್ರು ಮಾಫ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾ ನಾನು ಮೂರ್ ಬಂಡೆ ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ರಶ್ ನಿಕ್ ಪಾಡ್ರೆ ಮಾಲ್ ಮುಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮುಗಿ ನಾನ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾತ್ರಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪಾಡ್ರೆ ಜಾರೆ ಇರು ಪಂದರ ಮುಗಿ ಅವು ಯಾರು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ Krishna, let me go to my rapid fire round. I have my rapid fire round where you can ask my some questions and you have to answer it rapidly. Papa rapa answer one. Okay. Super answer ge. Jyoti Shetty Bande super answer ge. ನನ್ನ ಡಿಜೆ ಆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅರೆ ಗಾನ್ ಅರ್ನ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಇನಿ ಡಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಏನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇನಿ ಆನ್ ಜಪ್ಪುಜಿಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ చెప్పు ఓకే ఇన్ రాపిడ్ ఫైర్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఆ రాపిడ్ ఫైర్ లైక్ రపరప్ ఆన్సర్ అన్ಕೊಟ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಪದೆ ದಂಚದೆ ಯಾನ್ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪುರ ಬರ್ಪೇರಿ ದಾಲ ಪ್ರೊಪೋಡ್
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್
ಇರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬತ್ತನ ಆಶ್ನ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಸಿಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಸಿಯಾನ ಇತ್ತೆ.
Thank you.
Okay. So the first question in my rapid fire round. What is your one thing that annoys you the most? What is that one thing?
One thing that annoys me the most. I don't know. I don't like it when people blame things. Even if they're fighting or something, they blame. Even if it's not related to me, I can't see it. Those are things like small things, very small, tiny things I don't like. I have a little bit of OCD, little bit. So if I see something which is not proper, I go mad again.
Okay. Done. Okay. Marvin, Pranit is telling Marvin itla dumbu Ash na madme happuniಗೆ ಐತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಲೈವ್ ಉಡಾಕಲ್ ಮಲ್ತೋದಿತ್ತೆ. Pranit and Ash used to do my wedding anniversary, then ಜೋಕಲ್ನ birthday ಗಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ ಮಲ್ತೋದಿತ್ತೆ. Okay. Now right now Ash will get married soon. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay. Josita is telling fake people annoys her, it seems.
Yeah, she knows it. A lot of fake people we both have come across and yeah, that's true.
Okay. Yeah. Next question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you?
You should ask my friends. How cool I am. See, there are things I'm not very cool about also, but I would say 9. I'm pretty chill about almost everything. I'm a person who can vibe with almost people of any age. Your age, younger to me, elder to me, my age, way older. You know, even grandparents. I can sit and talk. I have no issues with that. So, oh my God, people are rating me already.
ಈ ಖಾಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, super cool. 9.9. Jyoti is telling 10. Josita is telling 9.9. Am Shadow is telling 1,000, 100. Okay, super cool. Okay.
They all know me very closely. That's right. They all know me very closely.
Okay, Mr. In between that, it must pugar and everything. Right, Matthew and Jenko pugar and everything. Mr. Maya is telling good show it seems. Thank you. When you Matthew Jenko Batana, Pusian.
Yes. Actually, very good show. I was waiting. When will you call me for the show? Finally, you called me.
Seriously?
No, actually, the thing is, I used to see from the time you called Shweta, I've been seeing your middle. Whenever anybody whom I'm mutual with, I do see.
Okay.
So I was like, I had this thing. One day, I'm sure I will also be called. Like, you know, I'll grow to that stage where he'll call me. Okay. So I was waiting to be that big for you to call me. That's it.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ತಾರೆ ತಿರುಗುನ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೀರ್ ಪೂರ ಪಸತ್ ಬರ್ಲ ಮಾರ ನೀರ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಾರೆ ತಿರುಗುನದೈತೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬೂರು ಏನಂತ ತಿರುಗಿದೆ ಈತು ಪೂರ ಪುಗಾರಟನೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರನ್ನದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೇ. ಜೋಸಿಟ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೇ.
Oh my God.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ತಿರುಗೋದು ಪೂರಿ ಜನ ಮಲ್ಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ ತೂ ಅನ್ಲ ಯಾನ್ ತಿರುಗೋದು ಪೂರಿ ಎಡ ಅಂತೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇವನ್ ಮೀ ಪೂರ ಇವನ್ ಮೀ ಪಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಜುಪ್ಪಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಎದುರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಲ್ಪುಜಿ
ಶೋ ಆತ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆತಂಡಿತ್ತ ಐಕೆ
ಅಥವಾ ಯಾನ್ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಂಡ್ ಪೋತಿ ನೀರೇ ಪಂಡ್ರ ಖುಷಿ ನಂದು ಖುಷಿ. Okay, so let's continue our rapid fire round. Okay, the last person you texted before coming into this life except me.
Okay, that is wait, I need to check for that. Last person was Shrishti.
Okay, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೇನ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲದೆ
number. Actually, I will tell you why I texted her also. Okay, I will tell you later, like later.
ಲೇಟರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
Vachi. Ito vachi.
ಓಕೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay, even me, I said the same other day. Okay, Nishu is telling convey my regards to her on her success until today, whatever she has started, and also on her future endeavors. Love from Kuwait.
Thank you so much.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಬ್ಬೋ ಪಾಪ ಮರ್ವಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪುಗರೊಚ್ಚಿ ಲೈವ್ ಲೆತ್ತದು ಆನತ ಅವು ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಟಕ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಟಕ ಸಾಂಗಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲಿ
that he knows I'm little bit of in the drama side. Okay, little bit of the drama side. Everybody knows
ಅವ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಲ್ತಿನದೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಲ್ತಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಡು ಬೇತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ಪೂರ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೀಲ್ ಮಲ್ತಿ ಪಾಡು ಏನು ಪಂಚಿ ಪುಗಾರನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಪಾಡು. Okay, Jyoti is telling Marvin, we are so lucky to be part of your show. Arey, thank you. ಎಂಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪುಗಾರೊಚ್ಚಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಯಾರು ಉಂಡತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಜ ತರ ತಿರುಗಿದು ಪೂರ್ದು ಪೂರಿ ಎಡ ಲೈವ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗೋದು. Okay. Pranit is asking, Marvin, YouTube ತಪ್ಪಲು ಕಾಸು ಕೊರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಪ್ಪಲು ಕಾಸು ಬಿಡುತ್ತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೋಡ್ 23 ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಅಂಡು ಒಂಜಿ ನಯಾ ಪೈಸೆ ಕಾಸು ಕೂಡ ಬಿದ್ದಿச்சு. Okay, so we will continue with rapid fire. Okay, yeah. Rapid fire. Okay, who is a better model? I will give you options. Okay, with the options: Vijeta Pujari, Josita Anola. Choose between the both.
You can't do this.
Okay, third option. Third option. Okay, Srishti Roy.
Who?
Srishti Roy. Okay, huh. Okay, I can put it this way. Better model. Wait, 1 minute. When I give options, you have to choose. Like, R8 Merlater, poor $8. No, I'm not. That's not happening.
Okay. You asked for very good model, no model.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, very good model. I will say Vijeta because I'll put Josita in the acting side. Very good acting. So I'll put Vijeta in the model side. She's a very good model. Josita, when it comes to acting, too good.
ಇಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಲಕಲಿಗೆ ಅವು ಟಾಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಉಪ್ಪುನತ್ತೆ ಅಂಚಾದಿ ಮುಗುಲ್ ರಪಕ್ಕ ಆತ ಸರಚಿನ್ ಆ ಟಾಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಉಂಡಂತೆ ಎಂಚಿನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊರ್ಪಿರದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂಚಾದ ಒಂದು ಬರ ಇದು ಎಂಪುಲ್ ವಾ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಗುಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ ಮುಗುಲ್ ಪಟ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬರಿ ಬಟ್ ಯಾನೊಂದಿ ಗೆನ್ನೊಂದಿ ಮಲ್ಲ.
Before the pageant we make sure we practice at least 80 questions and where we go. We actually practice for 80 questions, Google that, this 80 questions and then we go the question answer round.
Question answer and you answer there pata. Okay, nice. Okay, hi. Okay, DJ asking Kasper running. You know why he's telling? I said right. I get 90,000 current. You know why? Because they have like Pranit, Ash, Shama, and everybody like my constant viewers. They are like they have to comment. When they comment, ₹1 30 when they comment.
Oh, one day.
And charge for the episode da.
From tomorrow when I will join.
You can also join. No problem.
Every comment.
Yeah, every comment.
Okay.
₹130. So it was starting 10 paise adati. Nite an era ina kale summer. Okay. So here etter bandarata. He is my crush. Anjadu sonpa sar nana korre. Chan only live do yan maltade. Arna bhagya open and okay. Okay. Next question of my rapid fire. Which is your favorite movie all time?
Favorite movie all time?
Yeah.
I honestly don't watch a lot of movies, very little movies. But if
Hmm.
you ask me, I would say Geeta Govindam. I love that movie.
Geeta Govindam.
I love that movie.
Okay. This question I wanted to ask you that time, but that person left. But still, I'll ask: Who is a better photographer? I'll give you two options: Pritham Denzel or Pritham Aloysius.
This is also not fair. This is not fair.
Everything is fair in Let's Get Talking.
Um, so how do I say? Like, I think when I term into model photography, obviously it's Pritham Denzel, sir. I mean, both
Oh,
are too good at wedding, but modeling. When I talk about modeling and photographer, first thing Pritham Denzel, sir, for sure. Pritham, also I would have to tell you anything. He's done my body paint shoot and he's done it wow. Like
okay.
he's only into wedding photography. He's not into model shoot. He even told me like he did that for the first time, a model shoot. So I was happy. I was his first female model shoot, and he tried that body paint thing. It was
Hmm.
kind of difficult, but then too good, too good. He's also too good. So I can't
Okay.
select. But if you ask me again, who I would say Denzel.
Okay, Denzel. Okay, done. Answer ಪಡಿಗಿರೋದು ಹತ್ಯೋ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ 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 ಶಶಾಂಕ್ is telling ಅವು ಸರಿಯತ್ ಮರು ನನ್ನ ನೋ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ ಪಾಪ ಬೇಜಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಅಡ್ಡ ಜನಕ್ಲ ದೇ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ
Actually.
both are really good but I need to ask this question if these questions are not there there is no maja in my let's get talking okay so next question what is that one thing you can't live without
My phone, for sure.
phone sure what phone use one panir
OnePlus 6.
60 yeah one plus 6
Just one. See, I told the story of my iPhone thing. So after
correct
that, again, I was even given a chance to buy iPhone again, but I only felt bad. Too much. I was like already 96,000. I put in water. Again, don't want. So I was
okay
like 1+6 years saku. So I just took this.
okay no problem same pinch engul red date all 1 plus 6 namala 1 plus done
And
only
okay.
like okay done phone she is telling Joshi is telling phone
Yes, phone. Phone. Apart from phone, if you see phone, everybody is it's important. Apart from phone, I would say one thing is gulab jamuns. I love sweets. I love sweets. Sweets
okay
are a thing I want it daily. One more thing is I have my dog, so that's also I will show you my dog. Wait, this is my dog.
okay ole
Yeah,
must
that's
cute
my
one
dog.
mare
That's the cute one. And her name is Honey.
oh honey
She's one more thing I can't. Yeah, I need her all the time.
okay phone food Joshi is telling phone food honey
Food
okay
no,
honey
food no. I don't eat food at all. I am
okay
very backward in eating the food. And I
see
can't do breakfast. I book evening on tea. Ate. I won't eat more than that.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ
That is.
మరే ఇంత అమర్ పోర ఎంకని మధ్యాహ్నం గంజి మన తాపు చేయడం ఎంకని చెప్పు చిమ్ములు ఓకే హనీ ఇస్ హనీ ఇస్ వెరీ క్యూట్ హనీ ఇస్ వెరీ క్యూట్ ఓకే
Honey is very cute. I'll show you honey. This is honey. This is my honey. This is my honey.
ಓಕೆ ಇದು ನಾ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬತ್ತಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪೂರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ತುಲೆ ಪೂರ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪೂರ
Yeah, she just got slipped and got it.
ಓಕೆ
Yeah.
okay sorry for my temba okay next question we took like you said you take time to brush your teeth right so what is the color of your toothbrush
Black.
black okay
Yeah.
okay
And there is a story again. Like 2 days back, I just came from Bangalore yesterday.
okay
No, day morning. So I had gone for a movie shoot there. So
okay
I came back, and the thing is, my room, the way where they asked me to stay, I had brushed my teeth in the morning. I kept there, and I went. Well, coming back, there was power problem and everything, so I had to shift my room. And my partner was staying in the room. That person like had to shift the room. Okay, so they thought this is some who uses black brush. I've seen blue brush, pink
yeah
brush, white brush, black brush. Who uses and that brush got dumped. That
Okay.
brush got dumped, and I was like, no, that's my favorite brush. Like that's got very soft bristles. Okay, everyone's
Okay.
toothbrush is just 20 rupees, 30 rupees. That was 150 rupees. I made my dad go search for it, get it. That
Hmm.
got dumped. So now, as of now, it is blue color. I need to change it
Hmm.
again. So apart from that, it's black.
Okay. Okay. And Josita is asking, who was that partner? It seems.
She was my partner. She was my partner.
ಪಾಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪುದರ್ ಬಂದ ನಾರೆಗಳು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಪಾಪ that hashtag partner. I had that hashtag partner roommate with me. Okay. Okay. Uh, Next question. I was like, when you said black, photo la black use malu brush smell super. Okay. After pink, blue, okay. Okay. Next question. Where would you go if you first the place you would go if you were invisible?
Invisible. I will go anywhere if I was invisible. That is even like when people ask me what's the superpower you want, I will say invisible because that's so nice. Like for me, invisible. Like I don't know if you've seen this, but in Tom and Jerry before there was this cream in Tom and Jerry. He puts that and he gets invisible. I don't know if you've seen it. After
Uh,
that's always in my head. I want that someone to invent that cream. You know that invisible cream. You get invisible. Go out at night anywhere. You know that thing I want to do. Like so, invisible. If I go out, I don't know. I may be going to some island or something,
Island or something. Okay.
or
First.
a place. Where, yeah, because island. If I have to go to island, I have to pay so much and go. No, so flight or
Yeah.
free entry. You know, invisible
Sida.
entry. See the
Sida.
whole.
Sida Popini. Okay. In New Zealand, Island Popini. Island Popini. Well, there is one more interesting question. You said, right, who was that roommate? You said Josita, right? Josita is telling, I wasn't there with her.
No,
Uh,
no, that is
she is
we have.
like, who's her partner?
She
Liar, liar, liar.
Yeah, she came the day I left, but then
Hmm.
I had three Delhi girls like from Get Delhi. I don't know them,
Hmm.
so they were
Okay.
one of them was my partner.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then that. And staying sober is telling, Christina, you never reply to my DM. Why so? Question mark.
I I don't reply to anyone's DMs to be honest. It's only if I know them personally.
Hmm.
I may there's like even now I think there's 1,000 plus still requests pending on my
Pending.
message. Yeah, I don't reply. I don't reply. It's hardly very.
என்ன வந்து மெசேஜ் எந்த தூயாரு இது ಭಗವಂತನಿಗೆ ತೋಜೈನ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್
You celebrity
ಲೈವ್
ate, Ancha. No, when you sent me the message itself, I was in Bangalore that time, and I was
ಓಕೆ
traveling like traffic, you know, right? So I'm like 2 hours we were sitting, and I saw the notification. I got it. That's how I replied.
ಡನ್ 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 ಅವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಓಕೆ
Right.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋ 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 ಡೆಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಜೋಸಿಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯಾನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ
I don't know whose name she wants me to put inside. I was not there with anyone else. Maybe she wants
ಓಕೆ
me to put some guy's name, but I was not there with anyone.
Okay, we'll leave that. Okay. Okay. Renal is telling, Renal, hi, hello, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Okay. Roslyn, Nana, young reply, Malporata, Ash is asking.
You're a crush ate, obviously manpe.
ఎక్కడ క్రిస్టి ఎత్తిని ఆవిడ ఒక క్రిస్సి అండి ఇది రోజ్లిన్ అండి నన్న దాని పంటారు ఓకే అవేర్దు కొంచెం కామెంట్ మళ్ళీ అవేర్దు ಅವೇರ್ದು కొంచెం ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿತರಾರು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟೂತ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಗೆ ಇನಿಟ್
Couple goals, huh?
couple goals exactly hashtag couple goals okay okay Marvin you never reply to my DM why so Pranit Roy is asking irna reply DM irna pudar tuyugullu and right swipe hakun now see the delete bodu irna tuyugullu enko beccha hakun Pranit an pudar tuyugullu and just swipe hakun okay okay so we'll go further okay I'll not ask this question. You had answered, like, but still I'll ask. How
Okay.
long does it take to you dress up for a particular function?
um, I don't know. I think it will go up to like 10, no, not more than 15 minutes for sure. Not more than 15 minutes because only during shoot you'll see me wearing that heavy makeup and everything. But normal events, no makeup. Like, just so much. eyeliner, lipstick. That's a must. Lipstick I eat it anywhere. Lipstick is like my identity. Uh,
Okay.
Eyeliner sometimes when I go for functions. Yes, that's it. And hair I straighten and I go. Ashte.
Understood.
So
So that
comments,
takes only 15
the
minutes.
comments are bundle. Okay, Josita's everything is bundle. Okay.
I was about to read the comment from Josita. Now, Barchi, bundle. Okay.
Josita's one comment is there. Amit said hi. Yeah, hi Amit. He was there. He's a psycho ka hero. So
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Oh yeah. So coming back to Psycho. I left that. Coming back to Psycho, you did that a web series, a Kannada web series. So how was that doing that web series for V4 Stream?
So first thing is, I think Josita only came and told me there's this web series and all. I was like, bro, acting and all I can't. Shoots all you give, I can do. Acting and all I can't. And then Charan sir, okay, Fashion ABC, he also told me like this, like this. There's this web series. I told for 2 weeks. I told sir, ನನಗೆ acting ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ sir. ನಾನು modeling ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, photo shoots ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, 100 pose ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, but acting ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ sir. No, you try something. You try something. He kept telling you try. You try. You give me your videos, acting videos and everything. I was like, sir, I don't know how to act. How will I give you a video? Then he's like, do TikTok videos. TikTok, I don't know ABC of TikTok, okay. And then still some dialogues all he made me do, and I gave all that. And he's like, wow, it's really good. Do one more, like with the actual voice talking. That also I tried and gave. He's like, fine,
Okay.
this is too good. You can try. Why you always keep telling you can't act, you can't act? You should act. So I was like, and I don't have family support with the movie acting and all for sure, no. But then
Okay.
somehow convinced saying web series and all that thing. So web series and all, I did that. Then, so that's how I did a Psycho web series.
Psycho web series.
Yeah.
Right now we into acting. The person who used to tell like I will not act, and seeing the trailer we can feel that more Jabardast actor happening to Christy is going to become a Jabardast actor.
Even that day when I was doing this, I kept telling, "Nanga acting barudilla, nanga acting barudilla," and they're like, "No, you try." But in 1-2 shots, we should get it done. So it was no issues. And even now, when I went to Bangalore and all that acting and everything, like it was pretty quick. By 9 o'clock, we used to like pack up. It went good anyway.
So
So
आपण
yeah.
ते ना शूर मला actor आपण टुल्लर ते पण पूरा गले लंच न बोल रपर acting म्हणजे रपर शॉर्ट्स निशल पुढे शॉर्ट्स आत उद्द बोल ना एरेकला रपर मुक्यो done. Okay.
Look,
So
next
इतना
year not take a movie manpuga. Next year not take a movie. Year not take manpuga.
यानी ते तारे पूर्ण आहे नाना इथे आमचे जप्तो ना seriously. என்னோட done done.
Villain role Armanpur, DJ Ash. Armanpur.
DJ villain role.
Villain role.
Villain role. Done. Here panlaka. Baka Josita banji role
Sri
korle.
Lakshmi
Josita
ma'am says hi. Sri Lakshmi ma'am is my personal designer. She always designs whatever clothes I want on spot. Everything is ready. So she's one person I dress up so much for the shoot. That is her.
Yeah. Okay. So Sri
That's
Lakshmi
it. I
ma'am,
love you,
welcome.
ma'am.
Let's get talking. Welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Yes.
Okay. Here comments undu. Okay. You must ask her to show her handbag. It is filled with lipstick, it seems.
Yeah, it is. It is. Forget handbag. When my college bag is filled with makeup, there was one time when actually I had a shoot in the afternoon. Okay, I had a shoot in the afternoon. It was that way in Moodbidri Estate Resort. So morning time, I was planning only half day class, then I'll go for a shoot. So morning we had this bag checking. That is, someone was informed that they have phones in their bag and all. Like we can get phones, but keep in the locker. But someone in random checking was there and everything, so they checked. And I am not giving my bag. I just kept it in the side. That lady is like, give your bag, give your bag. I went, I gave the bag, and then she's looking at my face again and again and again. I am like, oh my god. Clothes, makeup, straightener, everything is coming out. So books are not there. So that was one thing. So even my bag will have only lipsticks. Lipsticks, one shade, a lot of lipsticks, one or two shades, cash, that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Cash entupundi. Cash on sadane entupundi. Andari.
I don't have ATM, okay. I don't have ATM,
Okay.
I don't have Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Dalaji. So for me, everything is just cash. So sadhya cash is cash agenda.
10-15,000 minimum uppundi irnaitu. My research team has researched.
Who told that now?
My research team, research research 10-15 minimum cash uppunige.
Oh my god. No, because
Yes
if
or
I
no?
say how much cash I have, then they'll keep getting calls. Treat paper, treat paper.
Yan pani andatta minimum math uppunige.
It's Yadadalaji. Because yesterday itself I met Aradhna. And
Okay.
first thing she asked is, how much did you get paid after your acting in Bangalore? I am like, why? It's just like, Kastikana, the party board. I'm like, okay, bro, bye. It must call Barpundu. Okay.
Okay. She is a big lakpati, it seems.
Ah, ha, ha.
Big lakpati. Apana ni sadharana 50,000 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಟ್ಟ cash uppune. Okay.
Ji, Janjadalaji.
Okay. Pranit is telling, you told, right, you will do a movie with me. Next. Okay. He is telling, young company bandi mein naanage, RN duplicate role barkari. So, are when yes panle, itand onda the idi ratre phone mante young bakar, you know, tell him, Pranit, yes, you are in panle.
अरे ईरना रोल बोट अरे क्यों ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಕರ್ಕತೆ
Kusian. Yes. Undav. Enkal engul budu adravali. I liked it. Okay. Pranit is telling to DJ Ash, Babida ಕಾಸ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಉಂಡಿಗೆ. Babida ಕಾಸ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಉಂಡಿಗೆ. Okay. I will go further. Yan comments ಓದೋದು ಕುಳ್ಳ ಉಂಡತೆ. Yan ಮೂಲೆ ಗುಲ್ವೆ. Okay. Temper irvella ಮೂಲೆ ಗುಲ್ವೆ. We'll go further into my rapid fire. And rapid fire round end ಆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. I will give you one word. You have to tell what comes to your mind when you hear that word. Okay. Quickly. Miss India Super Talent 2020.
The crown, the huge crown. That's all I can see.
Okay. Crown. Modeling.
Modeling, I have a lot of things to talk about modeling. That is, from the time I have been into modeling, I have a lot of how do I say? There are people who have told me things, especially family itself. Like my dad is supportive, mom is not so supportive.
Okay.
Dad's family is not supportive, mom's family is supportive. So there are people who goes and yells everything to my mom. What is she wearing? What is she doing? Where is she going? With whom is she going? All that questions are there. So mom feels bad and then she come and tells me. So there are a lot of people who even now, keeps telling like why is she doing that, this and all that thing is there. But still I'm like, no matter what, I'm not looking back. Has to be. So that's modeling to me. So I say modeling, I remember a lot of hardships plus success. That's the thing. That's what I say. Yes,
And you will get 100% successful in it. Whatever people say, like lots. Once you do something, I to the lonji period in Chakurapina group with
Correct.
Yeah. So I was about to ask you about your parents and your relatives support to you in this field, and you you told me this. What comes to your mind in modeling? You told this.
Yeah, it is zero support. To be honest, zero support because I am not a Catholic. I am a Protestant. Okay, so we have very strict rules. No makeup, no nail polish. No all this, I do all this, right? So their dad's family is dad is okay, but dad's family a lot of issues. So that's one thing I have to deal with. There are times when people used to send screenshots to my mom's phone, like of my pictures. So all that is there. So I mean, but all that is there. But just looking forward.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. You are getting little blood right now. We can hear me. You can hear me.
Yeah, I can see you properly. I think you're getting stuck.
I can't I can hear you right now.
Yeah, I can.
You can hear me.
Yeah. Yes.
You can hear me, right? Okay. So right now, whatever you said, right, like about your family support, in future, 100% totally full, everybody will support you. That's 100% because you are not going to look back. You are going to shine.
Yes.
So, and one day, everybody will be there for you telling, okay, yan pandite. See, everybody will be there for you. So, okay. So, coming back to let's get talking. Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear rains? Hello? You can hear me? Christina, okay, she is getting blurred. Yes, maybe some network issues. You can hear me?
What was your question again?
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Uh, no, you are getting
Like,
blurred. You are getting blurred because of some network problem. Right now, you can hear me?
yeah, I can hear now. I can hear now. Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear. I can hear.
Okay, you can hear me clearly, right now?
Yes,
Pura
yes,
clear.
yes.
Okay. So, what comes to your mind when you hear rains? Okay, there is a network issue. I can't hear you properly. Maybe my
When I
network
hear,
issue. There is a network issue. Christina. There is a network issue going on.
yeah, network.
Like I can't.
I
I don't know
can
whether it's
see you
yours.
everything perfect, but your voice is breaking.
Maybe my or yours. I don't know. It's my network because we can't make out whose network issue is going on. Like viewers, can you please tell like
My
what
network is
network
like
is
I don't have
exactly going on
Wi-Fi,
so that
so
we can solve it? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't know whether what network way is going on, whether it's my issue or your issue going on. Okay. Range network busted open. Okay. Right now you can hear me?
yeah, I can hear. So the question was what?
The question is like when I tell you the yeah. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but you're getting stuck.
We do. Yeah, I'm getting stuck. I'm getting stuck.
Yeah, you're getting stuck.
Getting stuck. Whether it's my network issue, I can't understand. Whether for me you are getting stuck, or I'm getting stuck for you. I don't know whether it's. Wait 1 minute, 1 minute. We'll ask the viewers. Rosalind, one the network problem. Here the network problem. Okay. You are in Wi-Fi or in a data network right now?
I'm using my Wi-Fi. I don't know how internet problem.
Hello. Okay, we'll do one thing. Can you like once close and again come back? Can you like once quit and again come back? Come back. Once quit and again come back.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay, so whether I'm stuck or she was stuck, I could not make it out. Make out. Okay, then but nice Insta lives. Thank you so much. I'm Shadow for joining in. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I guess it was. Let us see what happens right now. Okay. Uh, we are waiting again for Christina to join in. Okay.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's fine now. It's fine. Okay. Done. Okay. So, what comes to your mind when you hear range?
Rain dance because I have not been given opportunity to dance all the time in rain because my dad was very strict about getting wet in rain and all that was there. You shouldn't fall down. He gets angry if I fall down. And it's a stage of growing and you fall down, but he used to get angry and all that thing. So I am like his dear daughter, so it's like that. Me and my sister both. So,
Uh,
so I think rain is times when I was not at home. I've not been at home. So when I was at a friend's place or something and it started raining, then I go out and start dancing in the rain. So that's rain for me. So rain dance.
race dance. Okay,
Yeah.
done. Right now, I'll give you one situation. You have to say what song comes to your mind in that situation. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. First situation is if you like get a chance to be a showstopper for a Lakme Fashion Week.
Okay. Obviously, Jalva. It's Jalva.
So,
Obviously.
okay, the intro song, Jalva.
Intro
Okay, done.
song itself. Yeah.
Okay. Next, if you get to travel for a long journey of 24 hours with Arnab Goswami besides your seat.
मुझे drugs दो मुझे drugs दो
मुझे drugs that perfect. Okay. If you win free tickets for the world tour.
for a world to free ticket is it
full free, full ತಿರುಗಾರೆ.
My imagination world, flipping my hair and singing Illahi mera ji aaye aaye, Illahi mera ji aaye aaye. That will be thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
ಒಂದಿದೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಕಲ ಒಂದು ಲೆತ್ತ ಪೋನೆ ಒರಿಯ ಒತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ.
DJ Ash I will take for sure. DJ Ash I'll take for sure. Next slide bale.
ಎದುರು ಬಲ್ದಿನಾಗಲೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೆ, ಎದುರು ಬಲ್ದಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಡಿಜೆ ಆಸಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಉಪ್ಪರ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಂಗುಲ ಎಂಕಲೆ ವಾವ್ ಬಲೆ ಬಂದ ಎಣ್ಣು ಎಂಕಲು ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಲೇಜಿ ಉಪ್ಪರ್ ದಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಂಬ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇಡೆ ಆಡಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಅವಲ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ನೀವು ಕುಡಂಜಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇಡ್ ಬೇಜಾರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೇಜಾರ ಆಡಲ್ಲ ಉಪ್ಪಾಡು ಎದುರು ಬೈ ಚೂಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಚೂಸ್ I'll give you two options, you have to choose one option. Okay, this you have to compulsory choose. Okay, Sneha Shetty or Chetana?
Oh my god, like honestly both have amazing work. Amazing, they are good in their own ways, but Chetana's is like Chetana's for sure. Chetana, she has magic in her hands. Okay, Chetana has magic in her hands. I don't know how, but what first time when she dressed me up, I just bought my phone, okay, my OnePlus 6. Next day I have shoot, okay, and so I just put my face lock previous night. My face is not being recognized after she put the makeup. It's not me. I am showing her. My face is not recognizing. She's like, yeah, that's the power of makeup. So she has magic in her hand. She will turn a person anyhow she wants. Sneha Shetty. So when choosing, obviously Chetana. But about Sneha, she takes a lot of time for makeup. Okay, but that time and efforts. Last ending is like wow. You will love the makeup. But Chetana is like top.
Top. Okay. Top. According to Chetana, is top. Okay. Next, Navin sir or Nitin sir?
Nitin Rao.
Yeah.
Navin sir.
Okay. Next, sari or dresses?
Sari. I love saris.
Okay, sari. Okay. Making money or having fun?
I have been having fun all these days. All these days was having fun, but now I'm focusing on making money. So as of now, it's making money.
Making money.
Yeah. I've had too much fun. I've already had too much fun.
Too much fun. Here on the cast malpule. Too much cast malpuna. One the cast engle ikle korle ave.
Enkulu popa first. Enkulu. Yan DJ Ash.
Ay devara nanu onni vara cheppuchi nana seriously. Nana enku cast korpena ninda yanna live korpe gadi Christine lettala. Okay. Next question. Vodka or tequila shots?
Tequila shots.
Tequila shots. Okay. High heels or flat?
High heels.
High heels. Yeah, Pogla. Jai.
My 6-inch heels. I wear 6-inch heels. So.
Oh, that one. Wait, next, boyfriend or best friend?
Hard question because my best friends are all there here in the chat.
Boyfriend or best friend?
See, both have a different place. Best friends are always there. Subject boyfriend onte busy ulla. So the calical duller. So I would say best friends for now.
Explanation mentor. The explanation day Okay. Goa or Bangalore?
Goa. Yeah.
Okay. Kudlu Falls or Sirimane Falls?
Kudlu Falls. I was planning to go to Kudlu Falls this Sunday again, but I'm not sure. We have to see.
Malaj, couldn't story work on Kudlu Falls? Couldn't the network highlights could have Kudlu Falls once again. Okay. Beauty or brains?
Beauty.
Okay.
Chicken garlic. Atyav. Brains Atyav.
Ondeo. Itinatio. Ade.
Atyav.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಲ್ತಿನಲ್ಲ ಭಂಗ ಆಪುಂಡು.
I need brains another for 1.5 month. Ate. 1.5 year. Engineering will get done by then. Savai book about.
But apna. How? Okay. Chicken garlic or chicken pepper?
Chicken butter garlic.
Okay. Ire konja enku budiya chicken butter garlic ire irnane option. Pepper.
That is from Sai Palace. You should go and have it from Sai Palace. It's heaven.
Sai Palace.
Yeah, promoting Sai Palace indirectly.
ಒಟ್ಟು ಪೋಯ್ ಎಂಬಲ್ ಪೂರ ಒಟ್ಟು
Poi.
Sai Palace ಹೋತ್ ಎಂಬಲ್ chicken butter garlic.
Yes.
Spa or gym?
Gym. I'm a gym person.
Gym person. Okay.
Yeah.
What workout?
Today I missed my gym actually.
Because of let's get talking.
Yeah, worth it.
What ancha akhusena atio. Okay. In men, beard men or clean shaved?
Clean. No, wait. That depends on the person. Like some people I tell this doesn't suit you. Some people I tell this suits you. Have the beard. So, if it's for you, I will say for sure beard.
Okay.
So,
And done.
I would say beard only. I think beard only.
Okay, beard done. And like beard lock is nana change on pare jave. Beard lock is. ಅವ ಪಂಡ ಎಂಟು ಪಂದು ತೂದು ಬಂದಿರ ತಂಚ ತಡೆಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಪರಿಚಯ. Okay. This choose round is and choose round end done. After that we have my last one round. It is never have I ever. I'll quickly finish it. My never have I ever round panda. You know, right? I have done it, yes or else no. Special name in my let's get talking it as untu illa. You have to say yes then untu illa. Okay. First. Have you ever deleted a post on social media because it did not get enough likes? One like batin, one delete one dakini.
Illa.
Maldijar. Ida mata maldijar. Okay. So you have not done. Have you ever bunked your classes?
Untu.
ಪಂಡ ಏತು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಲ್ದಿರ್ ಬಂದ ನೆಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪುಂಡು.
I follow many of my lecturers. I don't know if they'll see this, but there are a couple of lecturers who are very supportive. Especially I have a ma'am called Evita ma'am. Too good. She's very supportive. Every picture she has to do some, something reacting. Like she's a very strong woman and she supports women as well. So she's all supportive. Apart from her, I don't know how many of them will throw stones at me once college starts.
After you say it. Okay. You said right, a clean and a beard. So yes. You said beard, right? So Ash is asking, Christy, how you want me to be?
I have not seen him at all.
But still, he is your crush. This is called as Anda Pyar.
Love is blind.
Yeah. Okay, done. Next question. Have you ever eaten food that, like, by mistake, it fell on the floor, on your plate? It was on your plate.
Do you believe in the 3-second rule?
Yeah, I believe.
Then I have. So in 3 seconds you have picked and eaten. Yes, I have done. But if it is desserts, another thing has fallen, I have eaten because I can't resist desserts. I love desserts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have eaten.
Chocolate or I won't leave. I'll eat.
Okay. Next question. Have you ever cheated in exams?
Yes. Even today I wrote my exam and came, no?
Explanation ಬೇಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂಗ ಆಗುವುದು.
ಹೌದೌದು, ನಾಳೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಉಂಟು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು ಬೇಡ. Okay. Like, have you ever pretended to laugh on a joke which you never got? ಅರ್ಥ ಆತಿನೇ ಚಾನಲ್ ಎದುರದೆ ಬೇಜಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Especially Hindi. I don't understand Hindi, okay? Zero Hindi. No knowledge about Hindi at all. So recently when I went to Bangalore for a shoot, three girls from Delhi. And I told them in the beginning itself, I don't know Hindi, talk to me in English. So they do talk to me in English, but by mistake Hindi just comes out, and I can't ask for the joke again. So I just look at them. I just laugh, just that fake laugh. And then they realize, okay, she didn't understand, and then they repeat again. So all that is there. So,
So
there
how was your fake laugh? Fake laugh enje battino?
I have types of fake laugh. So that was, yeah, it was like, okay. It was like that.
That's one type of your fake laugh. Okay. Have you ever accidentally said a bad word in front of your parents? Like you were doing something and you said a bad
I
word.
can't hear. I think I'm getting a call again.
So you have got a call. You've
Wait,
got it.
wait. I
Okay.
will go. I'll go out. Okay, I can hear.
You can hear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ite ಅವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಸರ್ತಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಜಾತಿ. Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever accidentally said a bad word in front of your parents? You were doing something you never know that they were there. Accidentally it came out of them.
Actually, what happened was you asked me that rain car question, right? I wanted to tell you something actually, but then my mom was sitting right here.
Okay.
So I didn't know what to say that time.
Okay. So now you can say that.
So it was a different answer I had to give, but so yeah, but in front of my parents, yes, I used a lot of words I've told, and I'm like, shit, I should have told.
Hmm. You can hear me? Christina, you can hear me? You can hear me, right?
I can't hear. Wait, I will call.
Okay. We have some like call issues. She's getting called back to back. No problem. Ani wants to talk also in the background. Ani ka patra rendu. Okay, let's again join. Let's go live with Christina. Okay, as Ash, Chrissy, Rosalind, Chris, everything. Ash na online pudarani ni uppan. Okay, so welcome back. Okay, so you have said.
You made me miss my gym, no? So my gym friends are calling me. You're not coming to gym, is it? That's the thing.
Quickly, I'll finish in 5 minutes. Okay.
No issues. No, I'm not going to gym. I am not going to gym anyway, so it's okay.
Okay, Mallesh. Okay, done. We'll continue.
Yes.
Okay, you have said accidentally bad word in front of your parents.
Yes, I have. Dad, I'm very careful. With my dad, but mom, I've kept telling. And apart from that, yeah, I told that rain car scene. There was a scene actually. Like how I used to think is, I'm not allowed to leave my house after 8 or 9. I have to stay at home. Okay, so there are times I've sneaked out and gone as well. All that stories are there. So while coming back rainy season, no, I get fully wet and come. My mom has no idea why am I getting wet. Morning when she gets up, my whole clothes are wet. No idea why it's. That's because that's all. So when I remember when you told, no, what do you remember when you tell rain? So I remember sneaking out, getting wet and coming. All that is there. So that's the story.
So you could not tell that.
My mom was sitting right here and I couldn't tell that.
மனசு இடித்துன்னு பண்றேன்.
Yeah.
Okay. இனி போப்புஜர் ஜிம்முக்கு யார் ஜிம்மு போப்புஜர் ஆஷ் இடி லைவ் ஆயி உப்புன மட்டார போப்புஜர் அவை போடுச்சு ஆஷ்.
Jen போப்புஜி.
Okay. Have you ever forged your parents' signature?
Many times. My dad's is difficult. My dad's is very difficult, but mom's is aram se easy it is. So hers a lot of times. She herself knows I've done it. But yeah. So now with aram se, it's okay.
Okay. So you have done it.
I have many times.
Hope my mom doesn't go to watch till this much. Okay. Have you like arrived somewhere very late and had everybody staring at you?
Yes, many times. Many things like many events also. Like when there's events going on, they'll come at 10 o'clock. Girls, you know, right? We get up only little late, then dressing up, going out and everything. And then the moment you enter, half the event is done. People are staring at you. All that is there. There are many times.
Many times happened.
Yeah.
When you said, right, you have forced parents signature, Namrata is telling, yes, she has done it.
Yeah, she knows 80% of my nakras, whatever I've done. All my jatak, everything she'll remove. I'm happy she didn't come for the starting of the live because my full jataka she would remove. So I'm happy she didn't.
Malle, nanala jataka geppuli. Nanala jataka geppare time. Okay. Sorry. Okay, next question. Have you ever ruined a surprise? There was a surprise for someone and you ruined it totally.
Yeah. There was my boyfriend's birthday, like, and it was not ruined. It was not ruined completely, but he's a photographer, so I wanted to like surprise him with that, that cake with that which has a camera and everything. So, and I was very, and the thing is, on his birthday date, that place was closed. So they told previous night, take it and go. So I took it, kept it in my fridge and everything. And the thing is, that camera thing was heavy. The top part was heavy, so that thing is falling off. The moment I went, next day after, the whole cake is out. So that is one thing I ruined, but apart from that, nothing. I'm not ruined anything.
Okay, so that is the only one thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, have you ever told a secret which was told that you have to keep it as a secret, not to tell anybody, and you have told it?
Yeah. I told the same only. It's a secret, okay? Don't tell, okay? Like girls, it won't stay in their mouth. Like I keep a lot of secrets, but again, hardly one person. There will be someone whom I share. So I have told.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Jai. Next question. Have you ever read your friends messages or Insta messages, WhatsApp messages, sneaked into their phone and read it?
No, I don't. Even when a person is sitting next to me and using the phone, I don't peep. That is one thing I was taught by my cousin brothers when I was little. They had told me never peep into phones. So that one thing is there. And there was one incident where even I don't like when somebody peeps into my phone, okay? Like there is nothing. I will be playing a game. Maybe I'll be just playing a game. But still I can't tell them that you don't peep. So there was once a scene where I was traveling in bus. I was in first or second PU, I don't remember, but I was traveling in bus. And there is one fellow who is staring at my phone. I can see it. I can see him staring, okay? And so I Google. I Google, I type how to kill the person staring at your phone.
What was his reaction?
And the next, and I do that and I look at his face. He just looks at me like this, okay? And then he never looks at me after that.
ಭಯಂಕರ ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಂಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇದೆ also okay here ekkada bandarade like you told you had ruined your your boyfriend surprise, right? DJ Ash is completely broken right now and heartbreak and ನಾನು చెప్పు చేస్తున్నాను చెప్పు మగ లైవ్ ఎన్న లైవ్ సురాన పొసిట్ ఇత్త లైవ్ ఎన్న ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಗನ ತಿಗಲೇನಿ ಪುಟಾರೆ.
Oh my god.
Papa, you want to console him something? No, right? Burchate.
Burchi. Ajapur.
Super. Okay. So I finished all my rounds. Never have I ever choose round, rapid fire song and everything. And you successfully completed. You will be getting a gift voucher from Let's Get Talking.
Varpunda? Satya Varpunda gift voucher?
Devaranila Varpunda.
Because somebody put in the comment section, gift voucher dala Varpuji.
You read it?
Yeah. I read it.
Trust me. I said I don't go on the comments. Trust me. Varpunde. It will come. Sure Varpunde.
Address send manpode.
But ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತು ಉಸರುಂಡು ಏನು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪೂರ ಕೇತದ ಪೂರ ರೆಡಿ ದಿತ್ತು ಪೂರ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆತನ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರಿ ಪೂರ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಒಂತೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಅಂಡಲ್ಲ ಇರು ಉನ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಚ್ಚಿ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಅವೇ Okay, there is one comment from Pranit. Gift voucher and your relationship DJ Ash Mangalore is same to same. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ದೇವರೇ ಇಂಚಿನಗಳು ಉಲ್ಲೇರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಗಾಡಿ ತೆಪ್ಪರೆ ಅಕಲೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡು ಕೂಡ ಎನ್ನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಪ್ಪು ಏಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಂಚಿನ ದೋಸ್ತಿಲು
ಬರ್ಚಿತ್ತು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ಪೆ ಅವಳ ದೋಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ಪೆ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ okay, so coming back, we successfully, like we the last of our Let's Get Talking. So it was
Yes.
absolute pleasure having you. So thank you so much for coming, Christina, into Let's Get Talking. ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್
Yes.
ಪೋಯಿನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಜಿ ಏತನ್ ಗಂಟೆ ಏತನ್ ಎಂಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಜಿ ಮಾರೆ
Kattalandi
ಗಂಟೆ
and Bannaga it was all bright. It's a Kattalandi.
yeah right full
Yeah.
6:30 1.5 hour pond ದೇವರ ಎಂಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಜಿ ಇಂಚೆ
Yeah,
ಫೋನ್
when you
ಮಾಡಿ
said 1 hour live, no, I had a feeling it won't get over because if you start talking to me, I won't stop. I'll keep on
yeah
talking to you. I'll let
1.5 hour ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ನೋಡೋದೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇಗ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೂಡಿತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್
and the board itself.
2 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೂಡಿತ್ತು okay so finally we reached to the end of this our live session. Before I wind up, any future projects lined up?
Future projects, yes, there are. But I just finished one movie and came from Bangalore. So more updates about the movie will be coming soon for you all. You will know it soon. Apart from that, yeah, right now, every shoots and all have been less right now. Shoots, parents, all nothing is happening. So now only web series, acting. That's the only thing I can see right now. So I think into it now. So yeah, there are projects coming. We'll keep on doing. I will let you all know about it.
Yeah. Okay. So you let us know. I story it guttapan engale posted guttapan
And
barಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಬರಕು guttapan. Right now we can make out. Irappa ಪಾಡ್ಬೋದು story. Chatak cover. Okay. So all the best for your future projects. All the best for
Thank you
future
so
projects.
much.
Okay. So ಏನೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಕಡೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಾರೆ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ದುಪ್ಪಟ್. I had my last question that you had told that time itself. ಅವು ಕೇಳು ಜಾನೆ. ಅವೇ ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಾಕಿ ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇದು ಕೇನ್ ಜಾರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಾದ ಬಂದು
Here a
ಐ ವಾಸ್
question
ಲೈಕ್
that.
ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಾದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಪಂಪೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಹೊಡೆದೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಈರೊಂದು ಪುರ ಶೂಟ್ ಪುರ ಮಲ್ಪನಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ 2019 ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಅವಿಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಿಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸೂಪರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಒಂದು ಪುರ ವಿನ್ ಆನಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವೆಬ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪನಾಗ ಎಂದಿತ್ತರ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಪಾರ ಬಂದು ಆ ಟೈಮ್
Um, honestly, I didn't think that time. But after I saw many people coming, I was like, one day, I don't know Mervin anyway. But one day, somehow I might know him and someday he might call me. I had that thing. So
Okay.
I had thought he might call me someday and he called me. So when I saw the message, I was like, wow, I reached that height already.
No, you had reached that height. ಯಾರು ಯಾಪ ಕೇಳುನಾ ಬುರ್ಚ ಅಂದಿತ್ತು ಬಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಕೇಳ ಬರುವೆರಾ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಬಂಡೇಡ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಡು ಎನ್ಪುರ್ ಅಂಚ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತ but you said yes. You said yes. Thank you so much for coming into this. Let's get talking. It was absolute pleasure. There are lots of comments coming for you. Okay. All the best, Christina. You seem to be very open and have great attitude towards life and profession. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Darshan is telling love land, breakup land. ಒಂಜರ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಪೂರ ಒಂಜರ ಗಂಟೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಬಾಬುನ ಬಿಂಬಳಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಬುನ ಬಿಂಬಳಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಬಾಬುನ ಬಿಂಬಳಿ ಪವರ್ ಹೌಸ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿ ಆಶಿಗೆ ತಿಕ್ಕಿನದಾದ ಬಾಬನ ಬೆಂಬಳಿ
ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶೆ ತಿಕ್ಕಿನವೇ ಬಾಬುನ ಬಿಂಬಳಿ okay power house is very busy in shoot and he is like doing a dream shoot with his like whatever he dreamt of.
Yeah, Bojraj Vamanju.
Vamanju sir.
Yes.
So all the best power house ire pandre atu jitene all the best pan perege. Congratulations on
Thank
doing
you so
that.
much for coming, Sharan.
Yeah. Thank you so much Christina itne battina yan itne battina Christina itne battina. Okay. So thank you so much Christina for coming into Let's Get Talking. Before that future projects and betadala pandretana panoli. Okay, betadala pandretana panoli.
Yeah, that's it. As of now, it's only studying exams. I think for 1.5 years. Avai buka tuka dala plans. Dala plans is avai buka tuka.
Avai baka irena pro plan pura successful avadu pura successful apne podu depana Let's Get Talking baidara ade nanna dala poduchi apun pura
Apunde ati.
apun
Ee nashra tikkunde ite apunde.
enna ashirwada ata Let's Get Talking da
ande okay
okay so Pranay Power is telling I made time for you kuda heart kada burde okay
thank you so much ere gottiji but thank you so much
athirige kada burde endu devara nera heart kada burde enga kada burde okay so thank you so much Christina for coming. Let's Get Talking. Gammata.
No problem. Yes. I had a great fun. So much fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same here. Gammata. Thank you.
Yes.
See you. Take
See
care.
you.
Tata.
Bye.
Bye. Baka, all the best for your exams. Baka avannundate. Have you like dash in your exams? Ancha maltandu pulle dalapis.
Yes. Malpode.
Malpode.
Tapundu.
And baka marks inte bartini. Onta ancha barodate.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Okay. So
Yes.
thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Yes, bye bye, bye bye. Even baby says bye.
Okay. आज जेते बापा. Ani
Arjit.
जेते. Ani जेते. अरे एंकला 5 seconds जेते.
Yeah, she's gone. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to tell bye bye to everybody, take their names and tell bye bye or only bye
Yes.
bye one. अगले पापा only
Bye bye,
पूरा
everyone. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. Close friends, not close friends, people who don't know me, who know me, everyone, thank you so much for being there today. And I hope he has one more session with me someday soon. Like part two of it. Let's see.
part two of Let's Get Talking with Christina. Apundi 100%. Even the date appointment apa madam? Appointment date kor parenge.
Can you plus
Seriously. Done. Done. This will be on. This will be on. This will be on. Part two of Let's Get Talking with Christina. Continuation part. In the
Yes,
continuation part.
yes,
None of
yes,
the
yes.
So that will be there in Let's Get Talking. 100% happen. So tu karappa
Okay.
manam.
Chappa malpagate. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, yes.
Iri DM tu parage. Ita yaar ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇರ್ಬನ್.
ഞാൻ DM ತೂಪೆ ಬಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಬಾರಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ.
என்ன DM?
ಈರ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ತೂಪೆ.
ತೂಪು ಜರ.
ಈರ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ತೂಪೆ.
என்ன ತೂಪರ?
ಇರ್ ಮೇನತ್ತೆ ಈರ್ನ ತೂಡು.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಪುಕಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡಿ ಇರಗ.
ನನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಗರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಎಂಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಉಂತ ರಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾನ್ ಬಕ ರಾಪುವೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ so tata bye bye take care see ya
Yes, yes, bye bye, take care.
bye see you take care bye bye
Yeah.
okay ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ನ ತೂಪೇರ್ಗೆ so power us message tupin message okay message sharanar message tupin beddala apadu enjina tupin message that is text message okay ashlila #ashlila iddi avu anje bra enter balle nikulu power house ga avu rapakka arna mandate budan do dan tuska dan mandate okay so thank you so much everybody who has joined in for this live session. It was a little long live session today but there was a very fun live session with Christina. ಗೊತ್ತಾನು ಪವರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾನು ಪೂರ ಗೊತ್ತಾನು. Okay, so thank you so much Namrata Gowda for joining in. Pranit Rohit, DJ Ash, Ashwini, Powerhouse, Babana Bimbali. Yes, young last Babana Bimbali dikkini. DJ Ash ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಬನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿನಿ. Okay. Ash Chris, #Ash Chris. In the live, the #Ash and Chris, #Ash Chris. Amen. In Bamble Mimble DJ Ash. Okay. So thank you so much everybody who has joined in for this live session. It was wonderful having you people. This is me, DJ Marvin, signing off. Preetham Minto. Thank you so much. This is DJ Marvin signing off. Happy Boy Forever. Wonderful show today. Thank you. Happy Boy Forever. It means a lot. Okay. This is me, DJ Marvin, signing off. I will be back next Tuesday with, it is not Wednesday, not next Wednesday, this will be next Tuesday, due to some schedule out there. Next Tuesday, live Barpa. Next Tuesday at 5 p.m. with another celebrity, another guest. Till then, take care, see you, tada, bye-bye, take care.